Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to solve this problem step by step. If you'll get more experience with order of operations, you are going to use shortcuts. But at this moment, we are going to do everything step by step. Okay, we have to start from the part of this problem which is inside of the brackets. We're supposed to go inside of the braces, but inside of the braces we have brackets. We have to perform the operations which are inside of the brackets first in this case. So copy down everything whatever we don't use, and of course we're supposed to start from the powers. I have 72 divided by 2 to the third power is equal 8. Plus, I'm going to copy down 4 times 3. As I said, I do everything step by step. Minus 17 to power 0. We said that every number beside 0 raised to power 0 is equal 1. So I'm going to have 1, close the bracket, minus 5, have brace, divide by 5 equals. Again, I'm supposed to concentrate the content of my brackets. Copy down the braces, brackets. Next, we're supposed to perform the division and multiplications, because divisions and multiplications are equally important. So I have 72 divided by 8 is equal 9. Plus 4 times 3 is equal 12. Minus 1, close the bracket, minus 5 divided by 5. I just copied them down. Next, I'm supposed to finish the calculations inside of the brackets. So I have 9 plus 12 is equal 21, minus 1 is equal 20. Remember that addition and subtraction are equally important. That's why I perform the operations from left side to the right side. Minus 5, close the brace, divided by 5. Next, I'm supposed to take off the brackets. I can rewrite this as 20 minus 5 divided by 5. 20 minus 5 is equal 15. Divided by 5. Because I have just one number inside of the braces, I can write 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal 3. And this is the solution to my problem.